Introduction to Azure Synapse SDK. Azure Synapse SDK is a set of libraries and tools that allows developers to interact with Azure Synapse Analytics from their applications. It provides a comprehensive set of APIs to manage and analyze data in Azure Synapse. Key concepts. To get started with Azure Synapse SDK, you need to understand the key concepts of Azure Synapse Analytics, including workspaces, databases, pools, and pipelines. Workspaces are the top-level resources in Azure Synapse, and they contain databases, pools, and pipelines. Databases are used to store data. Pools are used to manage compute resources, and pipelines are used to manage data workflows. Setting up Azure Synapse SDK. To use Azure Synapse SDK, you need to install the relevant libraries and import them in your application. You can install the libraries using pip or npm, depending on your programming language of choice. Once installed, you can import the libraries and authenticate with Azure Synapse using your credentials. Managing workspaces. Azure Synapse SDK provides APIs to manage workspaces, including creating and deleting workspaces, and getting workspace properties. You can use these APIs to automate workspace management tasks and integrate them with your application. Managing databases. Azure Synapse SDK also provides APIs to manage databases, including creating and deleting databases, and getting database properties. You can use these APIs to automate database management tasks and integrate them with your application. Managing pools. Azure Synapse SDK provides APIs to manage pools, including creating and deleting pools, and getting pool properties. You can use these APIs to automate pool management tasks and integrate them with your application. Managing pipelines. Azure Synapse SDK provides APIs to manage pipelines, including creating and deleting pipelines, and getting pipeline properties. You can use these APIs to automate pipeline management tasks and integrate them with your application. Best practices. When using Azure Synapse SDK, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure security, performance, and reliability. This includes using secure authentication methods, handling errors and exceptions, and optimizing queries and workflows. Conclusion. Azure Synapse SDK is a powerful tool for interacting with Azure Synapse Analytics from your applications. By understanding the key concepts, setting up the SDK, and managing workspaces, databases, pools, and pipelines, you can unlock the full potential of Azure Synapse Analytics and build scalable and secure data analytics solutions.